What's up guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nivel123 and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the JBL Tune 750 Bluetooth with noise cancellation. So what does this do? It has active noise cancellation, it has Bluetooth, and it has 15 hours battery life, and it says dare to listen. And as you can see, without the battery it still can hear wired. We're using the wired connection. So if we look at the behind, we can see it has pure bass sound, active noise cancellation, hands-free calls and voice control, multi-point connection, and lightweight and foldable design. So let's get right into it. Okay, so now let's open that seal. Okay. So we have the instruction quick start guide. So we have the audio input, no, not the input, the wire connecting the headphones. Just in case if the headset runs out of battery, this can be handy if your phone has a headphone jack. Just take it out. And this is the charging cable. Give me it. Very short micro USB cable. And we have a quick start guide. So it's sealed inside this packet. Quick side guide. So power on and connect, manual pairing, button command, wide listening. Yeah, oh fuck it. This is a cable that we can use for this. LED radius, 90 point. And as you can see here, this is regulatory information, and here is something. So this is the warranty card. Too much. That's basically the card. Now for the headphone itself. Okay, so let's take it out of the cover. Okay, so now I have the JBL headset with me, and we're gonna pair this headset to the iPad Pro over here. So basically what we need to do is we need to press this button. Focus here. We need to press this button here and it'll show us two lights. And I basically heard a sound from the headphone, and basically what you need to do is you need to go into Bluetooth settings and connect the JBL Tune 750 to the iPad Pro. So we'll press here. There you go, it's connected. So now I need to play my videos, and let's see what is a quick video. So basically get the idea. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment on how should I improve my video, and I'll see you guys next time.